na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Skits, yeah. Oh na na na. Oh na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Every second, every year was Sunday. Baby, I the reason your matter, eh. For love never go betray you. I cannot stay maybe without you. You don't believe me.
Yeah, how far?
Oh my god. This one you just hire yourself, go put inside. What did they saw?
Omo, as I just did like this, I just did plan since on how to arrange my wedding. You know my wedding is coming up soon. So I know I love my babe so much. I will just want to plan everything, you know.
You just talk say you love your babe.
Yes, now definitely I love.
There is difference between loving your babe and trusting your babe.
Wait, I don't understand. Wait, so I don't get.
Okay.
Are you being serious right now?
I am very, very serious. You dey see me, they laugh.
Because this seems like a joke to me now.
It's not a joke. Okay, watch.
The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us.
So you mean we should put her to test?
Yes, we'll try her.
Despite you are still saying we should do this, well, I still doubt to, but well, let's give it a try, no problem.
Now you're talking. Now you're talking, my friend.
You don't know.
Yes.
You don't know why it's going on.
Okay, I know what to do. I know what to do. No problem. Yeah, babe. Yeah, I'm going out. I'll be right back. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Is Larry out?
It's not already.
Oh. Oh. Alright. Rosa, what are you doing?
I'm just watching some TV.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Did I join you?
No, of course. Fine.
Oh, I like that girl.
Oh.
I like that smile. Yeah, what do you think? What do you think? Just smiling, brother.
Yeah. Very.
Now that we're alone at home, so do you think we should actually create music chemistry together? You know, I've been trying for so long. Why do you keep denying me your process?
Oh, it's not.
What nothing. Thank you so much, please. You know nothing, please. Huh? But you're better? Yeah. Make me feel better. I'll be right back. Here you go.
Thank you very much. I'll shoot.
Oh, I can help you. Easy. Come on.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. You don't need to think about it. Like, you can just do it. Just quickly, you understand? Like, before you get back from here, okay?
No, you is my friend.
He's a friend, but nobody's gonna know.
I can't just do
Nobody's gonna know, too.
What be this? Jesus.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
I can't do this, my friend.
He's just a friend. I'm not married to him yet.
So I get to my friend.
But I'm not married to him yet. Please, just let me help you.
I can't.
You know you want to do
Make
this.
I just soft.
You want to do this. Please. Bro, you can do this. You have to do this. Please do this with me, please. Please, I really love. I want to. Please, I want to have you, please.
Bella! Wait. Wait, oh God. Jesus. Like, is this for you? So this is the kind of person you are?
Baby, I can explain.
No, explain what? No, tell me, explain what? I don't get.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. Oh, on top of his leg, and you said nothing happened. No.
I swear, I was trying to pick something from his head. I was.
No, say it now, say it. You were trying to pick what? No.
My failure. You
This is
can
something now.
never
You
make
know what to think, baby. I'm sorry.
This one off me. No be say, Bella.
Say something.
What do you want me to say?
I was trying to help you pick up
Like,
something from your
am
head.
I dreaming? Is this one? Wait. Let me wake up from dream first.
Please,
Like,
listen.
hey, Jesus.
Please,
My
what
brother.
do you think?
You see?
You see what are you saying?
You love your Bella, and the Bella don't be this now.
No, I'm done with
What are
this.
you saying?
No, I'm done. As it is now, I think you will leave my house. No, I'm not interested. You see the marriage is cut off now. I'm not interested in this. What? Bella, you. No, you're leaving my house now. Right now. What?
I want to lose my man.
You have done it already. Don't spoil your mind already.
You
Don't catch already. What you make a talk?
Just because of us.
I know.
You can
I want to lose my man.
You cannot make it.
Don't spoil your mind already. But it's not my fault.
What help me?
How will I? Tell me, how will I?
Just say something.
He won't listen to me.
Just say something.
He won't listen to me.
I was just trying to pick something from you. Oh, something. Like, I don't know, just say anything to save my man. Please, I'm begging you. Please help me begging.
What do you want me to say?
Yeah, take.
Please,
No, let me explain anything. So what my friend has been saying is true. No, you're leaving this house. You're leaving this house. You're leaving this house. Don't tell me. No. I want to. This thing. God.
You should I tell you? You go so don't test this girl now, so you don't go marry.
Hey, I think they marry the right person. I think she don't different from other girls now.
Left, you don't marry. Left.
I don't enter.